Good morning children, welcome back to the English class. Today we are discuss about the continue part of the lesson in the orchard. So children, in the last class we know about the farmers grow the plants and fruit trees in the orchard. So especially the orchard meaning is the land used for growing plants and trees. Then in the poem, fruit pickers use the ladder to pick the fruits. So now we learn about what are fruits. So now what are fruits? I read the lesson. To most of us, fruits are juicy foods that grow on certain plants and trees. But to a scientist who studies plants, fruits are the seed cases of certain flowering plants. It is the case that we eat, not the seed. So children, basically we are called fruits are like a juicy food that will grow on a plant. But it is for scientists, they are called fruits as seed case of certain flowering plants. So seed case of certain flowering plants. So here flowering means plants produces flowers. Okay. So the meaning of flowering is plants produces flowers. So it is changes into the seeds and then it fruits. So first flower changes into the seeds and then seeds changes into the fruits and then the fruits become ripe. So children, now we are eating only a fruit part and then not a seed part. So we are eating the fruit part, that is called as cases, and then we are left the seed part in a fruit. So the part of the fruit we are eating is called as a case, C-A-S-E, case. Next, the apples, oranges, pears and mangoes that we eat are all seed cases. These cases protect the seeds that are inside them. When the seeds have grown fully, we heat the cases and use the seeds to grow more fruit trees. These cases protect the seeds that are inside them. When the seeds have grown fully, we heat the cases and use the seeds to grow more fruit trees. The seeds and the cases develop from the flower we call blossoms. So children, see in the picture there is a images of fruits like orange, pears and mangoes. So see in this picture there is a inner part and outer part. So the inner part it is in a seed part and then outer part of the fruit we heat. Next, then so the inner case of the fruit is protect the seeds. Children, when the seeds are grown fully, we heat the ripe fruit. Means when the mango is turned into yellow or orange color, we heat the fruit and then we keep the seeds to grow more fruit trees. Then children, the seeds and the cases are developed from the flowers we call as a blossom. So here blossom means flowers grow on a fruit trees or bush. Next, watch a fruit tree in the spring season. First of all, you will see little blossoms appearing on its branches. Then after a few days, a small green fruit begins to grow from each blossom. It grows larger and larger until it is ripe. Then we pick this fruit and eat it with great relish. So children, in the spring season, especially in the spring season, first we saw a little blossom appearing on the branches and then after a few days, means after a 15 days, a small green fruits begin to grow from each blossom. So then the green fruit grows into larger and larger and then it is ripe. So when the fruits were ripe, we picked the fruits and then began to eat with a great pleasure, means with a great enjoyment. So this is the day of our lesson children. Thank you.